Need a signature on a contract, an offer letter, or an approval form? With Nitro Sign, you can send a document for eSignature in under 2 minutes. No printing, no scanning, no chasing. From the eSign dashboard, click Send Documents. Choose your document from your desktop or a connected cloud storage provider, and click Continue. Next, add your recipient. Enter their name and email address, then click Add. Need more than one signer? Just click Add Recipient again and repeat the process for each person. With your recipient selected, drag a signature field onto the document wherever you need it. You can move it, resize it, or swap it for a different field type: date, initials, text, whatever the document requires. Each field is color-coded to the right signer, so there's no confusion when multiple people are involved. Click Continue to review everything before it goes out. You can customize the email subject and message, or leave it as is. When you're ready, click Request Signature. Nitro Sign sends the request immediately, and your recipient gets an email with a link to sign. You can track the status of every envelope from My Documents, so you always know where things stand. Start optimizing your PDF files today. Download your free 14-day trial at gonitro.com.